What's going on? We got the car on the lift. It's right in the spot we want it. We're about to put the long tubes on. How many people you know that got lights under here? Look at that.
What light you gotta hold?
Look at that.
Yeah, well, little backstory here. I measured it. Technically, I had enough.
Oh, man.
But I didn't picture in.
Oh, man. Come look at this camera. Look at the camera, man. Oh, my God. Your face is so beautiful in this light.
You ain't talking about the camera, though. So
we got a new camera.
Yeah, it's a little fancy thing. But I didn't factor in going all the way around on these pieces, how wide they actually was. So that's why I came up short. But if you look up, I really don't think it hurt anything because I can see nearly to the top of the motor. Ew. I say it wasn't that bad. I mean, it's just dirty. Don't put a detail underneath of your car.
Yeah, but I mean, this is a clean undercarriage. Very clean. I mean, I get it, it's a 19, but, you know, I've seen worse people.
We're in Alabama. There ain't nothing clean.
Yeah. I've seen worse.
I also have a package where we can go under here and clean everything and coat everything that needs to be coated with ceramic to make it clean easier.
Oh my God, this lighting.
Hey, the pipe's not even...
Speak for yourself.
Not that hot, actually. It's not. Seriously. Gullible.
Okay. Like I said, everybody say hi to Ruby. Hey, Ruby, how you doing? Oh, you what? You got drove tonight? Yeah, I drove it tonight. Over here on the table, we got the long tubes. Yeah, so I'm going to set this up.
Actually didn't need those lights, just these. But show them the best part. Party! Oh. Give somebody a seizure.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Okay.
Alright, like I said, we're going to do a little time lapse.
It's not going to be 30 minutes this time.
Yeah.
Promise. We will cut it short, and if you have any questions, just ask us. We will answer. We're not going to... it's not a secret how to install these things.
Yeah.
There's just not that many videos on how to install it. You have, people that sell said product that install them, but they tell you somewhat step by step. They tend to skip a lot of things that basically are the hard parts, the things that people struggle with, because if they tell you what you're going to struggle with, they're not going to make a sale. So we're not trying to make a sale. We're the ones going to be struggling for you. I wish y'all could see this man. Hold on.
Let's go. Oh man, I'm so.
You're so ugly.
Look at me. Hey.
Sorry guys, we're still trying to figure out this camera. It's fancy. It's got a lot of buttons.
Oh man.
We know how to pro charge your car. We don't know how to work this little camera.
Yeah.
We can make 1,000 horsepower. We can't control a little camera. Y'all thought we was playing when we said we was gonna stand out. We weren't playing. So as you can see, we got the intake out. Pretty easy. Beginner style stuff. Now,
What is that?
swivel should be right there behind you. Look at there, right in front of you. It's funny how that works when you look for something.
There's the guy that didn't know where the 15mm wrench was earlier.
Hey, it wasn't right in front of me. It was under stuff. So, what are you going for
What
now?
am I struggling on right now? I'll tell you what I'm struggling on right now. So there's this bolt that on the stock mid pipe.
So that top side closest to the motor or frame?
It's all close to the frame. But if I could, oh, you ain't seeing nothing down in there. I can't even see.
Yeah, so it's pretty difficult to see on the passenger side. As you can see with the stock box out of this side, it's pretty accessible for the most part. You got some bolts that are going to be a little tedious to get to, but other than that, it shouldn't be too awful. We shall see, though. Yeah, it's pretty wide open. Now, as far as supporting the motor when we pull the mount out, this lift has a skid plate that goes from side to side that's pretty tough steel. So, and it's not going to bend. So we're going to actually put a bottle style jack to support each side of the motor when we pull the actual mount out instead of running a cherry picker or anything on the bottom side, because these cars do have that polymer style, plastic, whatever, oil pan on it, and I really don't want to put anything against that. I don't want to put a jack or nothing against it. So I think that's a smart move. We shall find out if the motor decides to pay us a visit on the bottom floor when the car's in the air. What do you think, Jace? You think the motor's going to say hello? This man is focused.
Yeah, what do you do?
I'm focused too.
Well, you're going to be 30 minutes in a video. And ain't did nothing but take a cold air and take off.
Well, that's okay. Let me get my hands down here and show this man how to work on this thing. Alright guys, so we got it back in the air. We got the bolt up top loose. It was not that bad. You just have to kind of maneuver correctly. Ain't that right?
Yeah, we got to start it off.
Yeah, we got it back in there. Got the starter off. We're going to put it back on time lapse. Well, not back on time lapse. We're going to put it on time lapse so you can see a little bit of footage of what we do, even though it's sped up and such. But it'll give you an idea of what steps we took if you pay attention. So, y'all stay tuned.
We got the passenger side Manifold off. There's no real trick to it at all. Other than.
Taking all the
Well, we didn't take all the studs out. We took all but 2 studs out.
Yeah, 2.
There's 2 studs on the top row. Let me see if I can show you. There's one at the very back stud still there, and the very front stud had to come out, but the one next to it is still there. Other than that, it's just a clearance issue with the AC line. But yeah, we finally got it out. That's the only key to that side. Other side ain't gonna be that bad, but that's that side. That wasn't fun at all. All right, so headers are in. All we gotta do is tighten up some stuff up top. Everything went on like it should have.
Became a late night.
That's so beautiful. Mr. Murphy.
What's up?
Billy Bob. Yeah, we're about to let it down, tighten up our stuff up top, and we'll show you the first cold start. One more thing I kind of wanted to point out. When you buy a, let's see, where are we? When you buy a quality header, you don't have this clearance issue. A lot of the cheaper headers, people balling on a budget, you'll have stuff hitting, and some people have to make some modifications even. But you wonder why headers cost as much as they do. Fitment. And this is the actual cold start too. None of that. We done started 8 times. No leaks at all. No leaks at all. Everything's quiet. Everything sounds good. So we good up under here. Good up under there. Like I said, everything quiet. No leaks. First startup. First real startup. Look at it. Tim hands still in the cold. First startup. That sounds good. Sounds real good. Alright, that wraps it up. Another project down. See you guys next time.